Introducing the VELUX Sun Tunnel Skylights, a series of innovative tubular skylights designed to bring natural light into the darker areas of your home. In this review, we'll explore three models: the TMFO14000, TMRO10000, and TGRO101,000, highlighting their features, benefits, and ideal applications. VELUX TMFO14000 Sun Tunnel. The TMFO14000 features a 14-inch acrylic dome with pitched flashing and a flexible tunnel. This design is perfect for installations requiring maneuverability around attic obstructions. The flexible tubing allows for quick and easy installation, making it ideal for shorter tunnel runs. Users have praised its ability to brighten dark spaces, with one reviewer noting a significant increase in natural light in previously dim areas. VELUX TMRO10000 Sun Tunnel. The TMRO10000 comes with a 10-inch rigid tunnel and pitched flashing. The highly reflective rigid tubing provides brighter, wider light output, making it suitable for installations that require longer tunnel lengths. The pitched flashing ensures optimal light capture from all roof angles. This model is ideal for areas where a straight, unobstructed path from roof to ceiling is available. VELUX TGRO101,000 Sunday Tunnel. The TGRO101,000 features a 10-inch rigid tunnel with a low-profile flashing and a high-impact polycarbonate dome. The low-profile design offers a sleek appearance, blending seamlessly with the roofline. The rigid tunnel ensures maximum light transmission, making it perfect for illuminating interior spaces with natural daylight. VELUX USA users have expressed high satisfaction with VELUX Sun Tunnels. One customer shared, "We installed the Sun Tunnel in an interior bathroom. I am amazed at how much light it provides." Another noted, "The increased light is fantastic, and the appearance is fine." VELUX Sun Tunnel Skylights offer versatile solutions to introduce natural light into various areas of your home. Whether you need flexibility to navigate around attic obstacles or desire maximum light output with a sleek roof appearance, there's a model to fit your needs. Enhance your living spaces with natural daylight by choosing the VELUX Sun Tunnel that best suits your requirements. Check out my Amazon affiliate links below. Purchasing through these links supports my channel at no extra cost to you. Like and subscribe for more product reviews. And remember, be nice and be kind to one another.